Hi, my name's Mark. Welcome to Blue Sky. Henry Spale, who's Associate Director, he's calm and quiet. He's careful and methodical. So in the midst of, all the hustle and bustle, phones ringing and things going on, Henry's calm. He's carefully making decisions and they're right on the money. Christian, you can say, look, we're trying to put these two parts together. It's too complicated. I don't know how they're going to fit together. And you say, okay, I understand. And then 3 hours later, the thing is fully modelled. It's ready to go out for prototype, and I'll go back and say, how's that going, Christian? And you say, have a look. Basil Tung, also a very senior industrial designer. Basil does photo-real renderings with, sparkling chrome and all the rest of things that just dazzle you. Justin has come here from the Netherlands. He brings a whole other approach to design, which is interesting. So whenever he looks at a problem, he comes at it from a different angle from the rest of us, and I like that. Heather's a graphic designer, and she's very talented. So she looks after lots of our presentation work as well. She does lovely corporate identity, logo designs, websites, very capable. Andrew G and Mark Spale are young engineers. They're really a couple of bright sparks from the University of New South Wales. And Mark joined us after doing his work experience, and he did some great work during his work experience that's now gone through to production. Same with Andrew. They approach things like an engineer. They're careful and they're methodical, but don't misunderstand that thing about, you often hear engineers criticising for not being creative enough. These two are coming at design problems from all sorts of angles. They're still open-minded and receptive to new ideas. So after research, we move into the concept generation. The industrial designers working with the engineers, putting together Rhino model files. From there, the designs usually move into SolidWorks, engineering detail. Same time, we'll do a feasibility study, costing, materials analysis. There's a lot of things that go on while the concept is morphing into becoming reality. Early mock-ups, test jigs to trial things, prototypes, rapid SLAs, this sort of thing, testing, tooling quotations, and then issuing parts for manufacture. And then it's liaison with factories and fly to China regularly, visiting suppliers, signing off on tooling, bringing the product through to market. Whenever I see a lovely piece of design, it's so lovely because I know it works so well. The whole thing makes you feel good. If you get this situation where you can say, okay, it's really comfortable, but it looks like a dog in the instance of a chair, it's not successful. Because it has to look beautiful too. I think beautiful pieces of design, like beautiful pieces of engineering, look beautiful. Look at wonderful bridges. They're structurally, their integrity is marvellous. And it's a beautiful piece of design, and it's functional, it does all of those things, and it has beauty because of its essence. And that's the art to it. You can make a very functional thing in my analogy of a bridge by having a piece of steel, some girders and some bolts, and it's incredibly functional. It's easy to make, but what has that done for mankind? What's that done for your environment and for making people feel good when they on their way to work? Nothing. So you have to get everybody from this side of the river to the other side of the river, but you know, you need to do the other things as well.